Since it's Friday, I need to update my joke slides for the next week, and I learned how to take care of it in just a couple clicks. So let's just take a look at it. It is showing only the Friday slide, and it's blue, and it's by Alfredo. So I am going to open up bookmark. So one thing I started to do is bookmark all of the top files that I use. It's so much faster than going through the waffle. So let's see, here's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And I'll show you how I set this up, but every line is a different day: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, so I don't need any of these anymore, all the way through what's that? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Since this is a linked form, you can't delete, you can't cut. So what you have to do is just delete these rows. So when it oh shoot, I have to do it this way: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, so choose all my 5 that are there and delete those rows. And then these are the new Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So my wife put in a joke. So you would think I would go over here, and when we see her joke for Friday, nope, we don't. It's still Alfredo, because there's one other step we have to do. So I have to go to, so I took care of this. I'm totally done with this. What I'm going to do is open up my actual joke slide where I do the work. And what I used to do in the past was come and I'd have to manually type this. Well, let me show you this one. This is actually linked data to the spreadsheet, to the Google Sheet. So this is linked data. This is the linked cell that has the question. Over here on the next slide is the linked cell that has the answer. But you have to update these. And Google's made it really simple. You used to have to come over here and click update, but if you go to tools, and these are linked objects because they are coming from cells in a sheet, then you just have to update all of them. So there's 20, and I'll just update them all at one time. Did it do it? There you go. So you'll see Alfredo will change to my wife's name, well, Mrs. Conger. Takes a moment. So there it is. That's her joke. Why did the cookie go to the doctor? It was feeling crummy. So now when I go back, so, when you're here, you would have to update, you would have to reload this slide. But what they're going to do is they're just going to come, we tell you a joke. And since I still have it set on Friday, it shows my wife's. And then in the last video that I showed you, the last step that I have to do for today, and I'll be done for the week, is I'm going to hide these 2 slides. Shift click. And I'm going to choose slides and hide, skip them. It's the same thing. And then I just drag them to the bottom. And it's a little hard to see. I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. So then I remember I have to show Mondays. Monday is red. So I'm not going to skip those. So now this is all set for Monday. I could just double check it. Not necessary though. It'll be red. And it has, Danica, I didn't do anything except delete the top 5 rows and update the linked objects. So that's it. I have some more tips coming. So check back. Kind of fun.